Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Samarthika and it means a lot to me if you spare a second and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for notification. So, I always talk about applying makeup, but this video contains something really new. Somewhere I know that applying makeup is as hard as removing makeup. So I have something that will make your work easy. So I bought this. I saw some advertisement and review which suggests that this is a really good makeup remover. Let me show you. It's Garnier Micellar water. So since I have a really oily skin, that's why I bought this. It removes waterproof makeup and cleanses, nourishes, and it is for face, eyes, lips, and it is non-greasy, which I really needed because my skin is really oily. I have talked about it a lot, and that's why my skin needs something which is non-greasy or which will not produce oil a lot because my skin is already producing so much oil. So I bought this and it is dermatologically tested. It is, I think I bought this at 225 maybe. Yeah, it's 225. So you have to pay 225 for 125 ml. Let's try. So this is the bottle cap. So I like the packaging. If you ask me that how's the packaging, I will give it 10 on 10. It's nice, like really good smell. It smells like aloe vera contained product or something creamy smell. Yeah, I can't tell you exact how it smells, but it really smells well. Here is the tissue and I'm going to apply it. Not bad, since I have taken just some drop of it and it removes my lipstick very easily. See, not bad. Let's remove the facial product. So the foundation really good. So it's done. I have removed everything from my face. Let's go to the eyes, and that's the real test of the product. Now how it works on the eyes. It matters. That's great. That's actually great. Everything is removed, vanished. See, just in one wipe. I don't know if it is visible or not, but you can see the difference between these. It's vanished in just one swipe. And I'm done. So that's my real face. Okay, definitely makeup enhances your beauty, but it doesn't mean you're not beautiful without makeup. You are beautiful. Just flaunt yourself. Okay, enough. So talking about the product, I really like it as it removes my eye makeup in just one swipe, and moreover that it has a really nice consistency, and really like the smell. It smells like a premium face wash, yes, and it's non-greasy. I'm not feeling anything on my face. It's exactly like a water which gets absorbed by your face. So there's nothing on my face. And of course, even it removes the lipstick so easily. And see, you can see there's nothing on my face anymore. So all in all, I like the product, and of course it's affordable. Like you can pay 225 for this. It will worth it. Yes. In fact, I love the product. Yes. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So let me know in the comment section below that how much you like the video. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.